Hello everyone! Today we're going to learn about CVC words with short A sound. Are you ready? Let's begin. Ham. H-A-M. Ham. Ham. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Fan. Pan. P-A-N. Pan. Pan. Map. M-A-P. Map. Map. Mat. Tap. T-A-P. Tap. Tap. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Bat. Wag. W-A-K. Wag. Wag. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. Bag. Great effort! Till next time!
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you need classroom posters, worksheets, and flashcards, please visit my Etsy shop. Link in the description box.